Welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro, your go-to destination for all things premium in mobile technology. Today, we are diving deep into the Sony Xperia 17, Sony's 2026 flagship that promises to bring the ultimate combination of performance, camera innovation, and display excellence. If you're a tech enthusiast, gamer, or content creator, this video is a must-watch. Starting with the design, the Xperia 17 maintains Sony's signature sleek and elegant look. The phone feels incredibly premium in the hand, with a solid glass back, metal frame, and a tall, narrow form factor that is perfect for one-handed use despite its large screen. Unlike other flagships that chase flashy trends, Sony focuses on refined minimalism, making the Xperia 17 feel professional and sophisticated. Moving on to the display, the Xperia 17 features a jaw-dropping 6.5-inch 4K OLED panel, which is truly a rarity in smartphones. Colors are incredibly vibrant and accurate, blacks are deep and perfect for cinematic viewing, and the display supports HDR10+, enhancing every scene with remarkable detail. Whether you're watching movies, editing videos, or gaming, this screen delivers an immersive visual experience that's hard to match. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and gaming, making the Xperia 17 a display powerhouse. When it comes to performance, Sony has equipped this flagship with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with 12GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Apps open instantly, multitasking is seamless, and even heavy gaming titles run flawlessly at max settings. Sony's software optimization ensures that the phone remains cool under pressure, making it an ideal device for gamers and power users alike. Now let's talk about the camera, which is arguably the Xperia 1V's biggest strength. Using Sony's alpha camera technology, this phone delivers professional-level photography right in your pocket. The triple lens system includes a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens, all equipped with advanced optics and Zeiss-T coating for stunning clarity. Daylight photos are vibrant and full of detail, while low-light performance is surprisingly strong, capturing more light without losing sharpness. Video recording is another area where Sony shines. The Xperia 17 supports 4K 120fps video recording with manual controls, giving vloggers, filmmakers, and content creators cinematic-level results straight from a smartphone. Battery life is reliable and can comfortably last a full day of mixed use, including gaming, photography, and streaming. Fast charging and wireless charging support ensures you're never left waiting for hours to get back to work or play. Combined with stereo speakers and 3.5mm headphone support, the Xperia 17 also delivers excellent audio quality, making it a complete package for media consumption. The user experience is enhanced by Sony's minimal and clean interface. Unlike other brands cluttered with unnecessary apps, Sony's UI feels professional and responsive, perfect for productivity or creative workflows. Features like side sense, multi-window, and professional camera controls add real value for advanced users who demand more than just basic smartphone functionality. To sum it up, the Sony Xperia 1V is a flagship built for creators, gamers, and professionals. Its stunning 4K OLED display, professional-grade camera, and top-tier performance set it apart from the competition. While the price may be higher than average, the value for those who truly need a premium multimedia device is unmatched. If you're looking for a phone that can handle everything from content creation to high-end gaming, and you want a cinematic experience in the palm of your hand, the Xperia 17 is hard to beat. Sony has delivered a device that is not just a phone but a tool for creators, pushing the limits of what smartphones can do in 2026. That's all for today's deep dive into the Sony Xperia 17. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a premium mobile review. Let us know in the comments what you think about Sony's latest flagship. Is it worth the upgrade, or would you stick to your current device? Stay tuned for more exclusive reviews, hands-on tests, and comparison videos, right here on Tech Unbox Pro, your hub for the latest and greatest in mobile technology. Welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro, your go-to destination for all things premium in mobile technology. Today, we are diving deep into the Sony Xperia 17, Sony's 2026 flagship that promises to bring the ultimate combination of performance, camera innovation, and display excellence. If you're a tech enthusiast, gamer, or content creator, This video is a must-watch. 5.